Hello, I'm Anita from beandesigns.com. I'm here to help you create awesome digital scrapbook layouts using GIMP. In this video, I'm going to share with you two ways where GIMP guides can be useful in creating your digital scrapbook layouts. One is to use a guide in creating the layout and helping with placement and or alignment. The second is using the guides in setting up the area available for printing, as there can be waste during the printing process. Let's start by taking a look at the guides within GIMP. You're going to access the guides by going to the Image menu option along the top and finding guides close to the bottom of that drop-down menu, and a new drop-down menu appears. You've got New Guide by Percent, New Guide, New Guides from Selection, and Remove All Guides. So let's start with New Guide by Percent. We can set up a horizontal 50% guide on our image. See our blue line that appears? We can go back and repeat that 50% as a vertical line, vertical guide, and it slices our image into 4 quadrants. This could be useful in many ways in creating your layout. What if you wanted your images to be all along the center? Then you would have your center guide here, and you know that this little person right here, he's just a little bit below center, 2/3 above center, but he's center from left to right. Another option of using your percent guides would be the rule of thirds. So let's go ahead and remove guides and set up some 33% guides. Let's set up some 33, and we'll do that vertically, and let's do it horizontally. And the guides, new percent. Let's set up a 66% horizontal and vertical. Now our image is cut into 9 sections, and it provides us 4 places on our image where we could apply the rule of thirds. We can place our images right at on the crosshairs of those intersections and give our layout a nice rule of thirds look. We could, oh, you can grab your you can grab your guides there and move them, because you, as illustrated by that. Here's another way we could set up that layout. See where we have this picture is here at the cross. This is the, and so another option for our layout using the rule of thirds. I showed you how to remove your guides using the menu. You can also grab your guides and pull them off. You just left click onto the guides and drag it off of the image. So let's look at using our guides for alignment. So if we place a guide here, and let's add another guide at 33%. And on this particular layout, I have my photos cropped and scaled, but I want to actually line them up. So like this set of 3, I would like to be all left, aligned up along their left. So I can drag my image to this line and use the guide to help me. So what if we aligned all of these onto their right, and all 4 images are lined up along the right edge and along the left edge. Very good use of the guides within the GIMP. Let's explore that second use for the guides. To talk about it first, let's talk about the print area. When you print your image, you have completed all of the layouts for your album and you want to go and print them, you can have up to a 1/2 inch waste on the outside perimeter of your image. To allow for that during the creation process, it would be wise to not put anything within that 1/2 inch. While you're learning where that 1/2 inch is on the layout, it might be helpful to use these guides to show you visually exactly where that 1/2 inch is. Let me show you how you would do that. Since my 12 inch by 12 inch layout is set up at a resolution of 300 pixels per inch, 1/2 inch would be the equivalent of 150 pixels. So let's set up our guides at 150 and 3450. New guide, 150 vertical, image, new guide, horizontal, image, new guide, 3450 horizontal, and 3450 vertical. This sets up a nice perimeter around the outer edge of our layout. This allows us, when we're creating our layout, to know when I place something on this image, if I place it within that outer border, I am chancing it not printing. So I get to make that choice during the design process. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, please like it and check out my channel as I have other GIMP tutorial videos that would help you in creating great digital scrapbook pages. While you're there, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you'll be notified when a new video is released. I encourage you to continue preserving memories for your future generations through scrapbooking. Bye bye for now.